If you love cool items, stick around for a moment. This hidden gem is going viral globally and for a massive reason. Size-specific yet completely honest finding perfect is proving to be an absolute lifesaver. The secret behind its huge popularity is simple. The engineering behind it is brilliant. It brings professional-level utility straight to your hands. You will absolutely love how it handles heavy usage without any issues. It saves you energy, money, and unnecessary headaches from day one. It is truly a premium solution without the heavy premium price tag. Thousands of buyers are obsessed with it before it's completely gone. If you love cool items, stick around for a moment. This hidden gem is going viral globally and for a massive reason.